Eventually.
Alright everyone, so we're going to dinner now, and Mom actually made all of us match our shorts. So, look at there's Dad.
What about me? I'm
there's
actually,
Mom.
I'm
We're matching her as well. And there's Matthew. You can see how thrilled he is. All for one picture that she wanted to take at the hotel, which we didn't even get because the first time it came out blurry. So then we drove to the second Westin right next to us and took another picture, which came out a little bit better. We're going to Chemo's, I think it's called. Update, we finally made it to Chemo's, and we're heading inside now. I need to take that chair. Tofu. That was a delicious dinner at Chemo's. I had the barbecue pork ribs, which came with a side of corn on the cob, as well as French fries. It's very, very tasty. But now we're going to go and try and find the Dole Whip place, which has really good ice cream. Some really cool rooftop bars all through on the street. There's just one of several of them that I've actually counted. We're pretty much at the end of the street now, but if you go further down the other way, there's at least 3 or 4 of them. Oh man, thank you.
Brandon,
How is it?
It was really good.
Matthew, how is it? Good.
There's the Jeep Squad right here. Alright guys, it's the last day. We're about to go out to dinner now. Hopefully we'll find a spot because it is kind of late. And tomorrow we leave around 3 o'clock. So let's go enjoy the last night here in Maui.
Other side.
Other side!
Huh? Brian, I haven't seen you do this.
Here we go.
If you look on the top right side of the menu.
Meatball is very flavorful. It's creamy. Just finished an amazing dinner here at Leilani's. It is a seafood and steakhouse restaurant right on the beach in Whalers Village. We're about to go walk around now for about a few more minutes before we go back to the hotel. Alright guys, we just got to the airport. We're returning our rental car now, and we're about to board our plane within about an hour. So I hope you guys enjoyed this adventure. Please comment and subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos.